Okay guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you arithmetic operators. What arithmetic operators are, whenever you say you write a program and you want to, in the program you have a mathematical equation, whatever, for whatever reason, say you want to build a simple calculator or whatever, you're going to need mathematical symbols. So this is the symbols, the Java symbols, and I think they're kind of the same for all programming languages. So this is them here. For the addition symbol, just say you want to add 5 and 4, you just simply, the addition symbol is just a plus sign. For subtraction is just, sorry, that's the wrong one, that's the subtraction sign there, same as real as the real symbols. For multiplication is the asterisk, which is the star above the 8, that's for multiplication. For division we use the forward slash. And you see, there's a thing called the modulus, which is the percent sign. Basically, this gives you the remainder of two numbers. I'll explain why you'll in future tutorials you'll understand the reason for this, but for the moment, just be aware of it, okay? So that's that. So just say you wanted to subtract 7 by 4. Just say 7 minus 4, semicolon. So 7 minus 4 equals whatever, that would equal to 3. So I'll show you how you use this kind of thing in the program. So of course you'll need to have a variable. So int number again, have your variable there, and say you assign this variable with the value of 7. Okay, and then you want to subtract 4 from 7, so you just say number equals 7 minus 4. Okay, so that's the new value for number. So if you made a system dot out dot print line statement and you typed number in here, don't forget the semicolon, this will print out on the screen the number 3. It will go through this. You have int number, then you have number, you assign number to 7 with the value of 7, and then down here you have number again and you assign it the value of 7 minus 4, which is 3. So the computer goes through this, goes back to this number, and you're assigning, so it's okay, we're going to make a value for a number, goes 7 minus 4, which is 3, and it saves the value 3 in this variable here, and then it's going to print out the value of number. So I'll just show you now. Second. So that's compiled, and then we'll just run the program, and 3. So there you go, that's how they do it. And say you wanted to add 4 to 7, you just say plus 7. If you wanted to divide 7 by 4, you just say forward slash 7. If you wanted to multiply 7 by 4, it's just the asterisk 7. And if you want to find, just say you divided 4 into 7, you would get a remainder. So if you wanted to know that remainder, you just type the modulus. Because seeing as we're working with int values here, I'll just show you what happens if you try to divide 4 by 7. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so that's compiled, and then I'm going to run it. It shows you 1. So 4 into 7 is 1. That's not right. The reason for that is it's an integer variable, so that means we can only have integer values. So therefore we can't have 1.559 or whatever, because it has to be an integer. So to find the remainder, so it goes in once, okay, to find the remainder of that, you just say modulus 4, and you compile. It's compiled, then you run that, and then it shows you the remainder. This is useful, like say you have 50 people and you want to put them into groups of 4. You can't put like 5.5 people in one group and 6.3 people in another group. It's got to be whole numbers. like when you're working with people and that. So just say just say 50, just say it doesn't go into it fully. Yeah, it wouldn't go in. So say you had 50 people, you want to make 4 groups, you'd have 2 people left over. So you could use this here, divide up into 4 groups, and you use the modulus to see how many people you have left over. In the next tutorial, I'll actually show you that program. So if you don't understand it fully, just don't worry about it yet. Just make sure you know the simple ones like plus and minus and divide and multiply. Understand that, understand how it works, understand the theory behind it, and for the moment that's all you need to know. In the next tutorial I'll show you how to use the modulus, putting people into groups. So just get this in, understand